we are at the Redwood. This one is 3-bedroom, 1 bonus room, and 2.5 bath. Here is a nice little hallway at the entry. And you have the dining room right here as you enter. And the kitchen here as you come around. And then we have the living room. Nice good size. Come into the hallway, you have the laundry room, and then you have the half bath opposite of that, and then you keep coming and you come to the master bedroom, which is on the main floor. There you see a nice big window, and then the full master bath right in here. And something unique about this one is you have the individual sinks for each person. The second story in bedroom 2. Then we walk into bedroom 3 over here, right next door. And about the same size closet there. We have the full bath in here, right in between all the bedrooms. Nice good size. And then bedroom number 3. And there you go. So today you got to see 3 of our 5 floor plans here at Lakewoods and LaVergne, all under $300,000 and one of the biggest lots being built here in the area. So if you'd like to see them or have any questions and you don't already have a realtor, please contact me on Facebook at Omar Lagudali-Realtor, or you can email me at omar@hom.group. Also, if you need someone who speaks Spanish, I speak fluent Spanish. And please stay tuned because I'll be doing 2 different open houses, one on Saturday and one on Sunday, and I'll be bringing it to you live that I'm hosting personally. I'm Omar Lagudali, Realtor at Home Group, and thank you for watching Nashville Live Open House Show. Have a great week, and God bless.